Guys, real quick before we get started, click the subscribe button to stay updated with the upcoming tutorials we're going to be adding every week. So what I'm going to show you in this tutorial is how to export your photos out of Lightroom. So this is a collection of some photos we've taken for a young lady. They are completed and we're ready to export them. So we're going to show you how to do that. So we are going to be in the library module. And we are going to hit export. Whenever you hit export, you're going to select the folder that you want to save that in, and you can also name the folder however you would like to name that. If you want to rename your images, you can rename the image. And then the file setting. You're going to choose your image format, your color space, and the quality of your photo. Image resizing. This exports for high resolution, so I'm not going to resize anything. I'm just going to leave it as is. We want to leave all the metadata in, and we do not want to add a watermark. So the next thing we're going to hit is export. Next thing I'm going to show you is how to export a lower quality image that you might use for social media or for website use. So we're going to hit the export button again. So you'll want to review everything that we did the first time, the file naming, the file settings. However, when we come to image sizing, I'm going to click resize to format, and I'm going to have the long edge of my pixels at 1080 pixels, and Lightroom's automatically going to resize both edges for us. So then next thing I'm going to do is hit export. And that is how you export a high resolution and a low resolution photo from Lightroom.